and this is Physics 1102, the General Physics course for spring 2021. The text I'll be using for this semester is the same I've used for the last couple of years. Is Physics 7th edition by Douglas Giacomelli. The book is very useful. I mean, it's required in the sense that I use it, but I will be posting PowerPoint handouts and such for the chapters, and this entire course will be done on D2L online. And perhaps if campus opens up more, we'll do more stuff on campus. But I will be offering doing everything online this semester. So for this particular semester, everything including labs, tests, homework assignments, lectures will be posted on D2L. If you're in this class last semester, we're just picking up with the end of chapter 14, and we'll be continuing from chapter 15. I will be posting lecture videos throughout the course of the semester, approximately 30 minutes to 45 minutes in length. They'll discuss the contents, what sections we'll be covering, and also review for the test. I also will be doing videos on going through the labs. So I actually will be doing the lab, and then there will be a handout and a quiz related to that. So, and I'll give more details. The course syllabus is actually already posted, and for each chapter we'll be posting links. There'll also be links for each of the labs as far as that is concerned. Okay, one thing to keep in mind, there'll be a number of assignments, quizzes, things that'll be due. Everything will be open for at least a week as far as labs are concerned. Chapter review quizzes will be open for approximately 2 weeks, and they will close on the day the exam starts. They will close just before the exam opens. The exam time period will approximately 3 to 4 days to take it, and you'll have one attempt for that. There will be no extensions of any assignments past the closing date. Right? So if you have issues with computers, whatever happens, do not wait until the last minute. Also, assignments do not close at 11:59 on whatever particular day. They close approximately exactly 1 week from the time I open, or a few days from when I open. So they will open, so if it opens at 3 p.m. on, say, January 18th, it'll close. If it closes 1 week later, it'll be 3 p.m. on January 25th. If you want to do everything at 11:59, do it the night before. So, all right? As far as that's concerned, make sure I also encourage you to do assignments as soon as they open. Work on stuff. Do not wait till the last minute, because there's no excuse to have, say, my internet broke or whatever happened, and you're trying to do something the last minute of the class. Exams, there will be 5 exams. I'll be dropping the lowest test score, and there will be a final exam. It's possible it could be on campus. It depends on the situation at BSU for this spring. Hopefully your campus will open up quite a bit as far as what we'll see. So it's a rough introduction to what we'll be doing as far as that's concerned. So I'll be starting off with the first assignments, first lecture on January 11th. And that'll be on the end of chapter 14, the start of chapter 15. So again, if you have any questions, you can email me as far as that's concerned. I'm not really doing anything with Skype as far as that's concerned. So what I'm doing is then just posting the lectures. You can email questions and I'll email them back, but I find that to be far easier to do than trying to do stuff in person. If you're on campus, I am on campus quite a bit, so if you actually want to see me in person, you can do that. So my office, I'm in lab 310. So that's physics 1101, 1102 I should say, for spring 2021. So enjoy the semester, read the syllabus, which has already been posted, and